I am calling with a real estate titling question.
All right.
My father is an Illinois resident, however, owns real estate here in Florida, specifically a cooperative share, if that adds an interesting twist to it. He has stated he wants to put me on the deed of his Snowbird Home Co-op.
Right.
My question is probate a consideration? Should we title it as joint with rights of survivorship or as tenant in common? Does it matter with respect to Florida probate?
Judy, what we want to accomplish here is we want to avoid probate. We wanted to make it simple when your dad passes away that this piece of property goes to you easy, inexpensive, simple, okay? I do not recommend that he add your name to the deed as a tenant in common or as a joint tenant right or survivorship. I do recommend that we do a ladybird deed for this piece of property.
Oh.
He would sign this deed. Within that deed, it states that when he passes away, this co-op property would go to you. No headaches, no hassles, no probate. So, Judy, adding your name to a deed as a joint tenant rights or survivorship, yes, you could avoid probate on that, but there are downsides to that, including potentially more capital gains taxes for you down the road. There are no downsides to a ladybird deed. That would be the perfect tool for your dad to use to avoid probate on this, and we would love to send you more information on this, Judy. Now, Judy, we have a booklet on ladybird deeds, and if you want to get that booklet, it's easy. You can call or text Chrissy anytime at 407-808-8398.
And I'm happy to send you our booklet on the ladybird deed as well as easy ways to avoid probate. So we talk about that. This deed, this tool is the simple way for you to be able to avoid probate and yet make it so that, again, it obviously for your dad, complete control. And that's what we love about this
Judy,
tool.
for your dad to do this ladybird deed, he does not need to come to Florida. I could mail it to him. I could email it to him. He could sign it up in Illinois. He'd return it to me. I would record it in the public records, and he'd be all done. Now, if you want to get our booklet on easy ways to avoid probate and ladybird deeds, you can call or text Chrissy anytime, 407-808-8398. When you do that, please leave your name and your mailing address. That way Chrissy does not need to call you back, and she can just pop those in the mail to you.
And we're happy to get that out to you, but then also to let you know too is that certainly once you have received it, I will give you a follow-up call to see if you have any questions. But Tom, I think too that another point here is that we do have many clients that don't live in the area, that have real estate in Florida where they call us, they contact us, they find out about us, and we are happy to help them do the ladybird deed. And exactly like you pointed out, it is very easy for us to be able to get the deed to them, and they do not have to be present. They have it signed and notarized and witnessed, and they get it back to us, and we record it, and they're all set.
Thank you, Chrissy. Yes. Mm-hmm. Hey, folks, my name is Tom Olson. The name of the show is Olson Law. You're listening to News 96.5.